Everyone, pay attention. Crack the eggs into the edamame. This method is probably something many people haven't seen before. Once it's done, it's just like a popular dish at a restaurant. A single serving sells for $7. But if you make it at home, it costs only a few dollars. First, we prepare one gin about 500 grams of edamame. Costs $0 to $7. Pour it into a large bowl. Add an appropriate amount of spring water, and wash it to remove the surface dust. After washing, take it out, drain the water, and set it aside on a plate. Now let's prepare some side ingredients. Take 1 red pepper, remove the seeds, slice it in half, then cut it into strips, and finally into small cubes. Place them on a plate. Next, prepare the green chili peppers. Slice them into small rings, and place them with the red pepper. Now, take a handful of garlic, smash it with a knife to make peeling easier, then finely chop it. The finer you chop it, the stronger the garlic flavor will be. Once chopped, place it in a small bowl. Next, pour an appropriate amount of water into a pot. Bring it to a boil over high heat. When the water is boiling, add a spoonful of salt and a spoonful of cooking oil. Then add the cleaned edamame and boil for 3 minutes. Friends, I share a delicious home-cooked dish every day. You can give me a like and save it, so you won't have trouble finding me when you want to make this dish. Once the edamame is cooked, use a slotted spoon to take it out and place it in a bowl. Stir it with chopsticks to cool it quickly. Next, crack the eggs into the edamame, and use my black chopsticks to mix them well. Pour a little cooking oil into the pot. Once the oil is hot, pour in the edamame and eggs. When the bottom is set, gently push it with a spatula to ensure even heating. Fry until one side is golden, then flip to fry the other side. Once the eggs are cooked, use the spatula to break them into small pieces. Then add a packet of lapokai, a traditional Chinese pickled vegetable dish, along with the chopped green and red peppers and minced garlic. Season with a spoonful of soy sauce. No other seasonings are needed because lapokai is already salty. Stir fry quickly for about a minute until the garlic aroma comes out. Then you can serve it on a plate. This is how you make a delicious side dish. In a restaurant, this dish costs a lot, but at home, you can make it for just a few. It's super tasty and goes well with rice, bread, or noodles. If you like it, save it.